shots for the whole day.
So the only thing we could do is to hit recrew, and I just don't think that HH20 is something we... Let me see if I can manually put that in. If not, you'll just have to go, or OS will have to get you reported. So give me 1 second to try it, okay? Alright, 21G says, I'll reach out to OS. You're the part-time, some other person will pay.
PTC answering. Hey, good morning. 21 Echo, engine 992. Go ahead. Contract, how you neutralize energy management. But the engineer, they have next issue. Okay, when it is ready to initialize.
Terminal Murray, yeah, you can switch that. Like a 53 bro.
Alright, that's Roger. I'll
As soon as I get the 53 through, we'll need to go back to main 1.
Alright, that's Roger. Here we go.
And you're shunting again, which is blocking me out of the 1 switch.
Did I have shunting again?
Yeah, it just popped on and I'll talk to you. And it's back on.
Alright, that's Roger. I'll submit some of your tickets.
Okay, yep, I'll be waiting and set it back to you as soon as I get it. Terminal reach 53. Now you're going B Bravo.